Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. In this video, we'll discuss about a very important tool in Excel called Formula Auditing, which is a must in Excel as we have to deal with a lot of formulas in our data. It is very important to audit the formulas in Excel. For this, go to Formulas tab and go to Formula Auditing category where there are the necessary tools. First, we will click on K12 cell which has a value of 490. To know how we got this value, we can click on Trace Precedence, which will indicate with an arrow to show that which are the cells that have an impact on K12 cell. As indicated by the arrows, we can see that the value 490 is the result of the sum of the values of the whole row. Now we'll find out which all cells are being impacted by the value in 8. Click on F8 cell and click on Trace Precedence. The arrow indicates that F8 value has impacted K8 value, which in turn has impacted L8 value. This is a reverse function. Importance of this tool is to find out the mistake in a calculation. More than that, before making any changes to a cell, we should know what impact this cell will make on other cells. This will avoid a lot of confusion in our calculations. It will be easy to edit them because we can go directly to that particular cell. These arrows can be removed by clicking on Remove Arrows. Show Formula option is used to find out in which all cells formulas are used. We can see the full formula used. As you can see here, formulas are used in columns K, L and M. On clicking Show Formulas again, the sheet will regain its original appearance. Error checking function is used to find out any error in the formulas in the entire sheet. For example, 58 divided by 0. It shows a division error in the cell. On clicking on Error Checking option, error will be detected with reason as well as steps for the formula. In the error checking window, we can see the reason for the error and also options to edit the formula. The next button goes to the next error in the sheet. Thus, all the errors in the entire sheet can be detected and rectified using this tool. To debug a formula, click on the cell with the result and click on Evaluate Formula. This is useful in the case of complex formulas like those with so many conditions. On clicking on Evaluate button in the Evaluate Formula window, it will show the formula applied to one cell at a time. So, we can check cell by cell and decide on whether the formula is appropriate or not. We have applied formula to a whole column. Suppose we need to check whether anybody has tampered the formula or data. That is, if somebody has manually typed them. To find it out, select the whole column and click on Find and Select in the Home tab and select Go to Special option. In Go to Special window, click on Constants, which will highlight the cell with such a discrepancy. This will help us to correct the particular cell. So, Formula Auditing is a very good auditing tool. With that said, I am signing off. Let us meet again in a new video with a new topic.